Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome again to the folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Remind as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
The opposition People's National Party, PNP, has poured cold water on the government's plan to expand the Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel St. Mary during this fiscal year.
In his contribution to the sectoral debate yesterday, Shadow spokesman on transport, Michael Phillips, says the move is ill-advised. More in this report.
Some call it a white elephant, as the air traffic at the Ian Fleming Airport in Boscobel St. Mary isn't at the level the authorities were hoping. The multi-million-dollar investment is scheduled for an upgrade this fiscal year, but the opposition spokesman on transport, Michael Phillips, is raising questions about the decision. First, he took parliamentarians on a trip down memory lane when the project was initially completed.
Still fresh in our memories, this Minister of Transport in 2010 spent $450 million, a spend of $150 million above the budgeted amount to do refurbishing work at the Ian Fleming International Airport. In 2010, the Minister told the country that the work being done would bring increased passenger load and open the northern side, eastern side of the island. We warned the Minister then that he was ill-advised, as the scope of work to be done would not achieve the outcome.
Then, pointing to figures, Mr. Phillips noted that the average operating loss at the Ian Fleming Airport is between $50 to $70 million annually. He further expressed concern that of the 2,700 planes which land at the facility annually, only 200 are foreign aircraft.
The government has now come back to the country, less than a year in office, to do more expansion work on the airport, to extend the existing runway by 700 feet. Some improvements to the terminal building. Mr. Speaker, even after this $2 billion spend, the largest plane that would be able to land at Ian Fleming International Airport will be a regional carrier, a 90-seater plane. We on this side believe that the Minister is being ill-advised again. Not that we are totally against the development of the airport, but not at this time.
The expansion project will cost the government $2 billion and is slated for completion in February 2018. Mr. Phillips is expressing doubt about the proposed completion date. He's also raising questions about whether the facility will be in a position to take care of its operational expenses after the upgrade and whether there's an agreement with international carriers to bring flights to the airport. So if not expansion, then what?
Our recommendation is for the government to approach the hoteliers and other private investors and package the Ian Fleming International Airport for divestment.